Hello everyone and welcome back to Tuscany. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in the Versilia coast. We are in Marina di Pietrasanta, one of the most beautiful areas of the whole Versilia coast. We're just 3-kilometer drive from the property we're about to see. We're about to visit together a fully restored townhouse just 100 meters from here, from the beach. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. Welcome to the property. It is right behind me. As you can see, it is a fully restored townhouse with private parking and outdoor space in the garden that I will show you on the back. As you enter, you will find this spacious parking area. You can fit up to 2 cars here and another 2 or 3 cars on this side. The property is perfectly located. We're about 100 meters away in distance to the water on this side and the beach with all of the best restaurants. The property is also just 3 kilometers to Forte dei Marmi, so you can go by bike to Forte dei Marmi, and also very close to all of the main services with the supermarket, the pharmacy, and all of the most important services. The property has been recently fully restored. The works were just completed in September 2024, so it is really brand new and turnkey. All of this outdoor space on the front side has been optimized. Actually, this staircase here was initially positioned on that other side, but it's been moved here to optimize and have even more outdoor parking area. As we step up these few steps, we find this spacious terrace over here at the entrance. You can already notice there are cameras both outside and inside. In fact, the home is perfect for someone that uses it as a holiday home because you can really lock it up. You will see there is a home automation system that you can control from your phone. You can open the gate from your phone. You can open the main door from your phone and control all of the cameras just from your phone. As you enter, you can notice here there is both these keypad over here and as well the traditional key. This is excellent at the seaside because you can go to the beach, you don't have to take your home keys, and you can just enter with this keypad over here. As well, it works with a digital print, and we can enter the home. Welcome inside the home. It is 217 square meters in internal space, which equals to about 2,300 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms up to 4 and 5 bathrooms. Right now we are on the ground level. As you can see, we have all of the living spaces. We begin with this spacious sitting area overlooking the TV with an L-shaped couch and lots of natural light thanks to these 2 windows over here. As you enter, you find an elevator right here which connects all the 3 levels, and of course we also have the stairs. The home is fully equipped with an air conditioning system which is excellent for the warmer months and a radiator system for the heating. As well, there is a VMC system throughout the whole house, which is a system that gets the fresh air from the outside and changes it with the air from the inside. So with that system, you constantly have new air that is circulating and keeping the room fresh. From the sitting space, we have a comfortable storage area over here. As we keep going, there is the dining area on this side. As you can see, the property has been restored with a modern touch, which is excellent for the seaside. However, the owner left it more plain, so the new owners can decide how to personalize it and add your own personality and touch of charm to the property. By the way, the owner includes in the sale all of the furnishings, but as well is open to including a set of plates, set of glasses, and even the soap for the bathrooms. Let's say a package of things that you will need as you move into the house, so the property is really turnkey in all senses. Welcome to one of the best parts of the house, the kitchen. It is full of natural light with a huge window on this side and a big door window on this part over here, which accesses onto the garden. At the center, we have this island with this stone that waterfalls on each side. The island is a beautiful and spacious working area. Below, you have all of the storage. So, as you can see, there is a set of everything included with the cutlery, making the home really very turnkey. You even have tin foil. So the home is really the definition of turnkey. More storage on this side. Then as we keep going over here, we have storage on these parts. This is the fridge. As you can see, it is a very large fridge, brand new. And right below, we have a spacious freezer. At the center, right below the window, so you have lots of natural light, you have a worktop made out of stainless steel, so it's easy to clean. Below, there is the wine fridge, which opens as you press it. The lights lit up, and you can store your wine. Okay, as we keep going, there is more storage here and on this side. On this central part, we find a large oven, brand new, never used before. On the other side of the kitchen, we have a spacious sink with, right below, some storage, and on this side, the dishwasher. Spacious worktop over here. As you can see, the home automation system has been integrated with Alexa, so it's a further level of comfort added to the house. On this part, we have a spacious induction stove. The home is fully electric, and above there is the extractor. Just outside the kitchen, we find these few steps, and comfortably positioned, we have this pergola which can slide open with a spacious outdoor table. This is perfect. You can cook in the kitchen and eat outside, or as well, you have a beautiful outdoor kitchen on this part. As you can see, it has as well another sink, a spacious worktop on each side, and a large barbecue. This is excellent for the summertime. As we keep going, there is a spacious garden over here and the jacuzzi in the end, perfect both for the summer but even the colder months. And then in the end, we find this creative idea. This is a typical cabin that you find here in the Versilia coast, which is basically a changing room. It's been modified and implemented with a shower. So this is an excellent changing room and shower for the outdoor area. We're back in the dining area. And before we go upstairs with these wooden steps, I want to mention that on this side there is a ground floor bathroom with a shower, which can serve all of these ground floor spaces. Through this door, you also go downstairs and you go to the lower floor, which I will show you in the end. But first, let's go upstairs. As we get on the first floor, you find this spacious landing. As you can see, you can reach this level with the elevator, but as well with the steps. There are 3 bedrooms. The first one is right here. On this level, we have the same style of finishes with this light parquet floor all over. White colors on the walls with these trimmings and detail which add a touch of elegance. And in this bedroom specifically, we have a spacious terrace. As I mentioned, the home is sold furnished, so all of these pieces have been made for this space. Over here we have a little office corner. There is more wardrobes on this side, and these are ready to move in. You have the TV in the center, sliding doors to optimize the spaces, and finally we have the ensuite bathroom with a very generous shower. Right next we have the second bedroom. As you enter, you notice also here there is lots of natural light. There is a window on this side, office corner, storage, and the bed over here. In the end, we find the ensuite bathroom with a window and the shower on the other side. Finally, on the first level, we have the third bedroom. As you enter, you find yourself with this large mirror over here, also with a hanger on top. There is a walk-in closet already set up with lots of shelves. The shelves are adjustable, so you can really fit a long dress, a shorter dress, or a jacket. You can really modify it to your needs. And to the right, you find the bedroom. As you can see, it is all white and very essential, but they have added some touches and decorations that give it some nice charm. The bed is here. There is another private balcony to this bedroom, which overlooks the garden on the back. Of course, there is air conditioning. And on this side, we have this area, which is great as a little office or even for makeup. Over here, we have the ensuite bathroom with a different color of finish, as well the parquet floor and a spacious shower. When at the beginning I said 3 to 4 bedrooms, is because this room right now is used as an office. However, this is a sofa that can be turned into a bed, and in that case you would have an extra bedroom that can be ideal if you have an extra guest. The bathroom could be the one on the ground floor, which as well has a shower. Otherwise, you have a spacious table on this side with some shelves, and it can be really a great office. Also here you have your own private terrace, and if you look out, you see the water. We are on the lower ground level. This in the past used to be a garage. However, nowadays the cars are much larger, so you wouldn't fit a modern car through the door. So it's been completely converted into what in Italy we call taverna, which is a floor on the lower level, which is naturally very cool. And you can use it either with a nice couch, you set it up with a TV, and you can have a games room, or really it can be a multi-purpose space. So you enter through the steps over here. Through this door there is some storage, and you even have the batteries for the photovoltaic system that is in the roof. On this side, included in the sale, there is also this gadget, which is from Samsung, and it basically is set up to hang your clothes, jackets, dresses, or pants, and this irons them and even straightens them like as if it would be a dry cleaner. Then on this side there is additional space. So at first we have what is a multi-purpose space. This is a TV room, but it also could be set up as a little bedroom for a housekeeper or a staff in any case, with its bathroom on this side with a shower. At the center we have all of the systems room with washer and dryer already set up and included. There is also a system that is wired all around in the exterior space, which is against mosquitoes. So it sprays in the morning and in the evening, and you don't have mosquitoes on the outdoor space. Then there is also a cistern for storage of water, and as well there is the boiler for the heating of water. And here we are ending today's property tour. I hope you enjoyed this home. I think it is a greatly balanced home, perfect for the seaside. The home is completely wired with a home automation system, so if you live further from here or you live abroad, you can check on the house through the cameras, you can turn on the heating, close a shutter. It's really manageable from a distance. At the same time, being at the seaside, it is easy to manage. It has a garden, but it's quite contained. The rest are terraces, so they're easy to clean and maintain. Internally, it has 3 bedrooms, which is a great size, plus a 4th if one has a guest or if one needs. Please feel free to get in touch with us if you have any comments in the comment section below, and if you would like to schedule a visit. We look forward to hearing from you, and subscribe to our channel. Ciao!